Have you ever noticed humans panic about the economy and then run to buy gold like it's cheap tuna? I will tell you why humans love gold so much. And yes, a cat is teaching you money today because humans keep messing it up. You may think gold is only shiny jewelry, but for humans, gold is their comfort item. It is like a stress toy, but expensive and yellow. People do not always buy gold to get rich. They buy gold to feel safe. Gold makes humans think, even if things go bad, I still have this. Stocks go up and down. Crypto goes crazy. Houses break and cost money. Gold just sits there and says, relax. I was valuable long ago. I am still valuable now. Gold isn't just shiny metal. For a long time, gold was actually money, real money. A long time ago, humans carried gold coins. Later, they said, this is heavy, my pockets hurt. So they created paper money that was backed by gold kept in banks. Then eventually, governments said, okay, paper is now money by itself. Trust us. Humans agreed, mostly. But many of them still remembered gold as the real thing. And that is why they still love it today. Even I understand that. And sometimes I fight my own tail. Gold is rare. There is not a lot of it. It is hard to find and hard to dig out of the ground. Humans cannot just make more gold whenever they want. But paper money is different. Humans can just make more of it. Money is easy to make. Gold is not. If humans could make gold as easily as money, there would be more gold than cat hair on your couch. And that is a lot of hair. Now, let's talk about inflation. Big word, simple idea. Things get more expensive over time. Your money stays the same, so your money buys less than before. Here's the cat example. Same money, less cat food. Now it feels serious, right? Humans always ask, why is the price of gold going up? Here's the simple cat answer. Gold price mostly moves because of three things. First, fear. When humans get scared about the economy, they run to gold like cats run when they hear the vacuum cleaner. More fear usually means higher gold price. Second, interest rates. When interest rates are low, people think, why keep cash? And move money into gold. When interest rates are high, humans like deposits more, so gold sometimes slows down. Third, demand and supply. If more people want gold and there is not much available, the price goes up. If fewer people want it, the price relaxes. Like me on a sunny window. Gold does not spoil. It does not rust. It does not disappear. So while money gets weaker, gold usually keeps its value. Humans also buy gold when they are scared. When they hear words like recession or market crash, their brain says, buy shiny rock now. Gold becomes the backup plan. It is the just-in-case metal. Cats sleep through problems. Humans panic through problems. And buy gold at the same time. And guess what? Even big governments buy gold. The same people who create paper money also buy gold. They buy gold for the same reason people do. Safety. Now the question is, how do normal humans actually buy gold? Some buy gold jewelry. Pretty, yes. Good investment? Not always. You pay extra for design, making charges, emotions, and sometimes bad fashion choices. Some buy gold coins and bars. Simple, just gold. Cats approve. And some buy paper gold like ETFs. This is like owning gold without touching it. No need to hide it under your bed or inside old socks. Now, to be honest, gold is not perfect. It does not pay interest. It does not give you extra money by itself. You probably cannot walk to your landlord with a gold bar and say, here. Gold is not for getting rich fast. Gold is for not losing everything when humans make mistakes. Now you may be thinking, so should I buy gold? Calm down, human. I am a cat, not your financial advisor. But here is the simple idea. Gold is not everything. It is not the whole plan. It is just one part. A little bit of gold can make people feel safe. Too much gold, and you are just sitting on shiny metal doing nothing. Most humans use gold like a backup, not their whole life savings. Here is the easy cat version of gold, stocks, and crypto. Stocks can grow your money, but they move a lot and can fall fast. Crypto can make money very fast and lose it even faster. It's like a laser pointer. Exciting, but wild. Gold is different. Gold is slow, calm, and boring, but safe. So humans use stocks and crypto to try to grow wealth, and they use gold to feel safe when they get scared. Before we end, here are mistakes humans make with gold. They buy gold only when everyone on the internet is shouting about it. That usually means the price is already high. They put all their money into gold. Then they feel shocked when it does not grow fast. Gold is not a get-rich-quick button. It is more like a safety blanket. You hold some, not everything. So why do people buy gold? Because money loses value over time. Because people get scared. Because systems sometimes fail. Because gold is rare. And because gold feels safe. Gold is like a seatbelt. You hope you never need it, but you are glad it is there. That is why people buy gold. If you enjoyed learning from a cat, you should subscribe. It's the smart move. See you in the next video. I'll be napping until then.